Worm and save all the problems.
Father, you hear that? Give many thanks.
Every day we get thanks, you know.
Thanks, Georgia. All copies are sipping, put in and cool. All copies are sipping and get food and fight. I want a little sitting like this, you know. Like this. And let me show you something. I want a little sitting like this, then put in. I look for the food, then I get and pour it on. I want a little sitting like this. I mean, when I come smoke, they went there beer and get a little sitting out, they don't get. You need to feel good, and that's sitting like this, you know. Give thanks, see. Anything you get, you give thanks.
We don't give much now, you know. You a lot.
Tell them again.
The laugh, we never pit in the sky, because we pit in the sky to drop back in your face. So guess what we do? We humble, and the thing come our way, we give thanks of it, because we never put nothing there. Don't. Well, things are just going on. No, they just going on. You? I just migrate, come around here. The only family I have around here is the one in the house now. Yeah, I'm a complete stranger. I'm a man that born in the false world. The false world that I see a lot of things. I know a lot of things.
You know, the street.
I do a lot of things. Know a lot of things. So, thanks my beautiful wife that come up the house. When she find me on the street, bleach out and full of tattoos.
Testify, brother, testify.
So she found me bleach it into tattoo. She said, "Oh my God, what a handsome guy." And I said, "What a handsome what? Who you calling guy?" She said, like, "Wow." And it's so done.
Like, you know, all of our friends just put on the one and they go put on the second one. I'm saying, so you don't have a car to go to sun again after.
So, you see life, nobody know what life make up, you know. We can't say anything now, you know. And tomorrow is a different thing, you understand, Randy? So we have to just give thanks to life. With your blessing. Every mistake you make in life, you try to correct yourself. Half every mistake. You hear people say you can never forget your past because your past built.
You know when I go teach them for 2021 though.
Yeah.
Give thanks for wife.
Like me.
You see that? Like Gaza, I'm proud of you. I'm prouder of you than myself. Give thanks for wife. You know why I say that?
Yeah. You the meat
You know why I say give thanks for wife?
Yeah.
Because wife means what? Family.
Yeah.
Wife means food.
Wife balance the thing.
You know.
Wife balance everything.
And you know what wife mean too? Consistency.
Yeah.
And you know what wife mean?
Yeah.
Nice and warm and cozy.
Yeah.
I know everybody can warm up and cozy with you know.
Yeah.
This some mentality.
No, but you know, we understand your thing. There's a man who lives up in the hills. You talk to the animals. I mean. Woo! Tarzan! Woo! The Tarzan movie after kind of.
The man saying no lie down and relax and cushy with woman. What am I deal with?
No, he's not, as I said, he's what you call him? He call like a boag.
Oh boy. The best thing in life is sometimes when you're cozied up with your lady.
Yep.
For like over 2 hours and you're just relaxing. Isn't that like the best moment sometimes?
I said, baby, don't let go. Don't let go of me, darling. Please don't let me go. Please don't let me go, baby. Help. That's how I grow my locks, you know. And she shampoo my locks. You can't wash me here by myself already.
I want to.
Long time, I'm not today. I'm not joking. One time when Grace and is a cuss. You can't wash me here by myself.
So now what do you look for, man?
You can't wash it.
You just in chapter and me want anything of it in a year because of the key.
Yeah, I can't wash me here by myself. And before me every week me that hairdresser. Today just as a Gaza here now, gross, you know. You have a load of here for 2 weeks.
Gaza.
Yeah?
Let me know what. Which is about passages that you me.
Run 3 bush, huh?
Run 3 bush. How you know you check? I go 3 bush.
You know a chef's got Lanky, man. I'm gonna run the catch and go through the bush like a little rat.
Yes.
Randy, come catch her. Catch her.
Somebody took his bag and took.
Come on, catch her one.
Are you on me question?
Yeah, it's Jamaica good life.
Who's?
And see it. And see it. Bolton, watch. Lightning Randy.
Everybody, I get them phone out.
You ever say Mark?
You don't have your phone to. You don't have your phone to wait them man. Come on, go on.
Hold on, we have to catch it properly. We have to catch it properly.
My phone up.
No, I don't say this, Randy. You only think like a girl, Randy. Randy only think like a girl.
So, how you take on it? How you start?
No, wait. Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on, wait.
Yeah.
I have to talk to the hill.
Talk to the hill.
You not talk to you though.
About 2 picnic of that.
2, alright. Take him out. Wait, terrible man. Back over. What?
Yeah, bro, it's a Randy.
In that route out everything. Look.
Oh, God. That is guys, I just said my phone.
See?
No.
Don't give up.
People, that was a setup. I did him give me, you know.
No.
That was a setup. That was a setup. You see the man the ball
I got your fine. Oh God, man, move on.
That was a setup, Bolton.
Move on.
Can't deal with them, man. Yeah.
That
That was a setup.
Like your root potato.
Find the crack.
That was a setup, brother.
Yeah? Terrible man, look like you use it. What?
That was a setup, brother.
Yes, when I put it over here, so if you need
Alright, let me show you a thing you have to do. Pull out a potato, pull out a slip. Pull out a slip, and look for the slip if nothing pop off. Yes, so you do
What? Yo, get out of my feet.
Potato!
Get off of the thing.
What do you mean? Show the run. Show the run. Randy.
Yes.
Randy.
Yes.
Randy.
Yo, don't catch it. The man who has it.
Yeah. I'm not here now. Let's bring. You want jam too? Bring jam with it. Yeah.
Are you saying you are go here with your wife?
Joe, she acts here, brother.
Let's bring things to eat and drink with jams. Peanut butter.
John.
What I call him, no call him, man, come on, no problem, man. But he turn right there, man.
Ah, no, sure. I'm sure now, and he mother get him now.
Alright, people, time for me to go get my stick. Alright. Where's the mash shit there?
You go and good Randy, just.
Where's the mash shit?
You have a look at the pic here, man.
You show me. You want to show me that? I show you a video. You boom back them in there, I show you a video. I don't know about that way anyway.
You could have played some look out nice too, you know.
No man, 3 months, 3 months, 3 ever talk with copyright thing, and that's why I nobody turn on nice.
Oh.
It's better for you. We just make, we get paid for we own and him nice our music or we are make already. You know see much mountain and chatting we have a go on with that, whatever I laugh. That general tell me. So me request to them I they turn back tonight and feel the other foot. That's where you get started. That's with me, you know.
Go. You look at the comments against the end of the cancel. School man on camera, you know.
Man, coming out the bush!
Chop off a back at you.
Serious, you know? Look at that. You never get too much picture.
Huh? Carry on, come with now. I think that's all I'm on there. That's all I'm.
I'm like to use nail, but we're not the potato. Okay.
You want?
Elbow.
Anybody is there.
Any particular, any we have a lot of
What do you mean by that now?
Oh, no, they know waste time.
Here I know.
Oh!
Maximum old life farmer now with that. I must be somebody.
Yeah, guys.
Eh?
Maximum old life farmer.
Randy, King Randy.
Which one? No waste time.
I'm mother hype my take away. I'm mother farmer. That thing can be a little brown with this. I'm mother farmer. That's why my big farmer.
This is how we dig potato. Stick off it, can too short. Replace with hands.
Let me tell you this man, you see top part, you don't cut it thick.
Wait. Replace with hands.
Yeah, green palm still.
Right here, so. And we put the elbow right here.
Yeah.
Okay?
Let me see how
we
you
use
do
with
that.
elbow.
Let me hear it.
Yeah.
For like this.
Yeah.
So we don't hurt our backs.
Yeah.
You with me?
I'm with you, man.
Good. So if we put the stick in on the ground, right? Position with elbow.
Oh.
So go embarrass yourself.
So the elbow, you see when the stick short?
But that's when you have to do some, you have to push up some heavy. This is like, this is like certain dot way. Is everybody like us, some hold it for dirt like that?
Yeah, Gaza.
Part here where you know.
Gaza. Randy say man do this, man. Why running for the man want to look a road for yourself, man. Allow the man to do this.
Sharpen it out.
Yo, it's right the Randy did, man. Look a road for yourself, man. You know say my farmer, so allow me to
Dull
do
him
this.
out. Flat him off.
But one thing I can say about him, but I always hear me about him, have green palm. That's the only thing I rate him, a farmer for sure.
Yeah, green palm. What do you mean by that?
Yeah, but
I mean, no,
anything you plant.
you catch.
Yes.
Okay.
But him live off of his mother hype and tell about where he raised or whatever.
yeah.
His mother a real farmer now. But through you have green farming.
Get in him. So I hit hype plan.
No, wait till
Anything he plants in a bit in me, you know.
Yeah.
I can go show you trees where he plant now.
You must say me cooking here.
Can you give me some of them to plant them, some of them plant.
Show me them,
You
man.
plant them,
Show me
you
how you
understand.
fill out most of them.
No, tell him, no, it's like when you say me kill out, tell him to care about go show you. See, you said tree, when you say kill out, want him to show you them now.
Right now, then push up back.
Cause my energy
Give a
was,
grass.
and me come back and revive them, you know. And me
Tell
come back and fi talk to them, you know.
Alright.
You got grass to them.
him again.
Yeah, he did. From the root down there.
So Gaza,
Hard for them.
so after me light you, I'm
You
gonna
want
go
to
back.
feed the grass there unless you concrete the place.
So after me light you, I'm gonna go back and light you again. After you know see fever grass.
Guys, we have cover. I have a half a gun, brother. Yeah, you know, brother, I was a special farmer. You're Mr. Real, though, you know.
You look for find out we left them like when green farm one. I could find one. So green farm. Nah, man, in a dead man.
You know, so that's why you have any potato, you know. Everything you done them look bad. I suppose, you know, because you know, no rain now fast, so they have to pick from the sea. So gel, cool and stick, brother.
Come, I know you make a big one, so I have to come.
Yeah,
Leave
yeah,
her,
yeah.
come. See the garden, see how else I have to come.
No, low him, man. Give him. Because I'm saying I get a big one.
You know, it's still no
He's saying
man.
I get a big one, so we are give him that
Check
one.
up big one now, man.
I don't know if I know. No worry, no stress, man. I think I go like this today for these.
Come in, push it. Come on. No one catch you over there in the chair. And you know the same time push it most of the time. We don't even see it as in push it. Alright, they put it there.
No, because you put it 3 potato for you see, you must you put it 3 potato. Don't try to put it on the potato. After you put it on the potato, it will go.
So no one in there.
So you put it in there, man.
So I tell them also make you whenever you find you one or you just have one you make me go up to them.
Yeah. Next time, see, I look at the year for me here, man. So when they come to cereal, everything me plant, man. And next month, one if we get some plant. You see how it's sitting there? And land where we want to be at every boat. So you never say, oh, yeah, where else? Them call the man Gungu.
That's a Congo land.
A Congo land, them there, no brother can to.
Where?
Down
You
south.
see them, you can't go show. You say, why are Congo? You see a December, you know, pant to fit Congo.
Come on, John,
see what I'm gonna show you?
You see him land, man.
So I can't do that.
You know,
You have to blow it up.
No, man.
You know,
Congo, man,
Stick
them
it, Congo,
come
man.
on.
Either you take your machine, you take your way, no one you prefer.
So this is for fun there.
Yeah, man, Congo is so good. She also line for you, so God, we back ourselves off a line. Yeah, see.
Wait, man.
Where? What time of day? That's the afternoon of the place.
Nobody no bad man, me no go. You can't bad me.
And the man people,
That fucking man. You know, I tell you up on the way to shot and get some weed, dog.
So, since that day, I bought it and short. Remember say that, Alex? What's the name of the
Man, you don't know about that. You flip out them, do out them, lock up somebody out there and they're out.
Oh, no. What,
Go get 30. And we just we job
he had not gone sell man, he had not get better blow. Come like a fence he run through.
Your tick so short.
He was stick swash me out straight there.
So in the head, you see.
And I had him cut man. So right now I sell me top waste money pan.
Oh, so you get you have a cut in the head.
Yeah man, so me I spray every time he heal up, he broke up.
To your hand, you then.
To yard,
That
yard
man. You
feel.
see hand, you play them the part.
Yard
I
feel.
want a room up in that, you know.
You know
You
man,
say
I'm
that a room
spray.
start near me. A murder man, one room up in the hand.
Spray with beer gun, spray with thick swash.
Eh?
Just a mess.
I wash up because you see worm.
The worm where they up in the top part, so nice.
Animal poor worm in each.
Me know, man.
Alright, get tired of you, cut off my head.
Them room, any of them come out the head in dead, you know.
You know.
Huh?
Get tired of you, should cash in body.
You know that? Randy, I look like
You know what they want. Say two in a each poor. Each I go them when they say poor worm in.
Two women are there.
Yeah, you never see that, Randy?
Them always there now, man.
Every time, if me kill one goat, man, I chop that and show you, man. The room up in the night, man. I go back to shop.
Anytime worm them dead too.
Every good time we're in there.
Just learn that.
You know everything you do.
You know that awesome. Me I thought was a room in a good dog.
How because that's cool, you know?
Yeah, but me never learn about it.
Every good time we're in their hand.
It's like it's hard to find them up yourself.
The potato, you have a scratchy one. You in there now?
Andy, you know, don't drink your porridge.
Randy, see a crack there? So you guess you have to drop the grass. Drop the grass and clear around the potato. Scratch with the hand first and fire. Finally, you see,
You know, if you now, you can't tell me in goat pen and cow pen.
oh,
That's all I was saying. Just figure out in there.
That's the original plan.
I read that pig at night.
I'm gonna put that in there.
Tell him again, come here, you remember the part. You know, guys,
hmm?
I feel like it's so in him, so you can put two in there.
We have to pick up this one. We have to pick up this one.
What's that? Piece of pot, pass me piece of John. Wow.
Or if you come, you can run on the ground, you come. Have a water boat.
You leave the right one.
3 years now, me I get water boot.
You can't talk about the part camera, wife. It thing look shaky. My story on a size 0. Remember size 0 you wear now?
We're size kids.
Size what? Oh, they don't have kids water boat.
Of course they do.
Kids don't go in far.
John, what about this?
Baby a weave.
Morning.
Mine. The baby a weave. Come take out me something to this first.
Morning.
Both of them can put them two years back in.
So you say they're too small. So one bigger one must decide like.
Look here. They tell me to carry me carry.
And that is you see.
So when I come and go eat, you know.
Yeah, I only want to watch it and show the thing together.
You come like I want to put it
Potato down there, someone on the dig the road and come. Yeah, look back down there, man.
I say, the whole world crowd, me answer me the best potato digger.
I think them are crowd, I think them are crowd.
Randy, I say me Randy are the best. You can't believe.
Man, they use stick and see and go in a dirty. Understand that, brother?
Eh?
Man, you lad, he might use stick and hand to dirty. Come on, man. I'm going nice side, man. Where's your car?
Every now and then.
That's why we have a mannequin store, you know.
You know, always have to be feeling the dirt. You just have the stick feel it for you, you know? No.
Talk to me.
But we know so them one, you know, have nothing. The whole line, that's a liquor.
But you know, you will see all the cricket and when you scratch it go way down. Monster potato.
Oh, wait.
Small it, you want some small it, bro, later, say Steve. Yo.
Bite, bubble. My weave, it's in a shirt now.
Yeah, man.
Climate, man.
Randy, I hear breakfast this year, so put on just stuff.
Yeah, man.
And a cover up.
It's good, man. Now insects are one.
Okay.
That's what I'm true though.
You know, say if them going on my tea, I drink them.
Ants going to sugar and drink, he said it.
If you come in on my things, you have a problem. Me and you go. Me and you go coexist. But you know, say the ants have something of them work with the stomach. Well, what the China people don't say ants good for fever. Not good for me. Not good for me. Now the baby sick, let's give them 2 red ants. Let's save a China, you know that when baby sick in a country up there, let's give them 2 red ants. Make me see that one here. I'm going to dig it. I'm going to cut it out.
China, they never dig no potato big so yet.
You see, Gaza?
What you say?
More than proof. You talk to
That's what happens when you're a filmmaker, okay?
Yeah, I'm a filmmaker. See if on camera already and show. Catch him long time, what do we have to do?
Then Randy now go edit that.
The spies around here.
Yeah, because we can't take a next month probably in a foreign money. You talk tough too, so
Yeah.
Hey people, it's a long day me out here dig. You know what I say about when we come here to represent Jamaica good life. So right now, we pull some potato out of the ground. Boom! You see what we do it in Manchester. Go on, what you say? Give thanks, you see what I say, brother? Give thanks! Look how me just pull out of the ground, Gaza. Pick up yourself. Let me show the people them what we are dealing with. Manchester, this is the White Ranch. So when you want your potato all over the world, just come get it, alright? Alright. Hey baby. So you said baby a wheeze? See there people, this is it. I want you big, you know. Guys, I didn't do this, Lanky did this.
Come, Papa.
Nice. So you say, I have to put my hand in it. I dirt. Have to.
they take your gloves. You know, since I dirty, they're going
You know, somebody bring my gloves still.
Randy, look at that. We don't make up nothing. You have to put on camera, people things, watch out. We don't make up things here.
Wall it a shampoo jet.
Competition independent, Randy.
Yes, with him.
Go
Interesting words.
Find something I'll show you.
Interesting words. Greatest way to find things big.
I am the soft grounds. We are the hard grounds.
3 we want to go to 1.
You know, them put up on the hard ground. Them have
No,
to put
every
up on
month
the
you put it
soft
on.
ground. You see me?
John, I
Everyone
over there,
to put it
dirty
on.
baby.
No, we don't solve or no.
Them Randy, take the most difficult hill.
And the 3 now 1 no. I want to listen to Randy. When you can do that.
Take the most difficult hill, Randy.
Yeah!
In life, you don't know what to expect, huh?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, baby.
Let's say John, you can report it too.
You had an accident? Stand up. Stand up. You're not still down there. Stand up.
God, you leave her rat, you understand? God, you leave her rat, God.
You want to go and dig potato? Hmm? You want to go play in the dirt? Call him now. No, call daddy. Hmm? Call your daddy.
Yo, so what's your plan? I'm going
Yes, and I am in this, you
Several morning shampoo blocks.
You know, listen to no more.
Papa, that's a good doo-doo.
Some Martin Luther. We need to listen to some Martin Luther. You know, we have a better person.
You too?
We have a better person.
Where? Every time God we crazy.
Crazy, only crazy.
So you should say, you should thank God for your kind of nation. You!
I share my Martin Luther King.
Oh.
You're going good. You're fine.
You're not going to find out anything, you just stick one hole, let it spread out.
Yeah, the real farm want to talk to you now.
Come all out yourself.
So you say, we must search through this again.
You see where
A green honey, you have.
We also a green farm.
Not
Not to look.
You may stand in some online.
Right there, sir.
Chacha!
You up, man. Don't listen.
You bolt on the side. Bolt on the pants.
No, there's some mommy.
No, wait, Charlotte. You never did that.
You there, sir.
Right question, Alex.
Maybe the rain have nothing to run. It's kind of different one.
So don't give me the hardest road. They're tough, you know. I'll be a little one there, sir.
The one never do up the Lanky. Like how they should up the different right.
We join it in the evening.
That's a long way.
Because put worry back and fight. You are in my father.
Alright, listen.
You see the grass.
Potato. Chacha. Potato. As Jane say, I want to go up, I want to be a potato. Jane say, it's a man, you can be a potato.
I'm going to leave it to the expert. I don't want to miss nothing.
What you say, man?
And I upload the letter.
It's a machine, you know. Everything will pass, me just
Upload the letter.
dig it up. Like you know, just nothing there, sir. Boy, you check my work. Boy, you check my work, Lanky. That's
Sure,
why.
man, you take up now, Lanky.
That's why man Gaza for man, that's why.
Boy, you check my work, Lanky, if you see. As a teacher, I know. So more I check my work to see if I make no mistakes. The soft dirt thing go fire.
I see there. Put them to the test. Whether soft dirt or not. Put them to the test so no still no do no. I laugh after this man. You see that this one laugh there, we are laughing. I don't know the time. No worse, are we? See it?
Right. Get more real fine.
That's the I'm putting it to the test, you know. You can't manage it.
I want to go for a redoubt, man.
I will lose the hand. When I start planting. That really want to put in that still.
Oh no. I don't know, man. I not the one that want to tell you. Next year, tell you which part they come in and put it in the league.
You can't one plan one time.
Eh?
That's one plan one time.
Go too hard.
One in.
Right.
So like in I 2-1 is this up. You 2-1.
Anything, man. Can do anything. Never do it that way. I'm sure some can't do it. You want to be terrible.
Man.
Yo.
The land, man. We have to see, we have to prepare the land, man. The competition have to start around every day. The life is seen.
Live.
Make sure I carry one trophy. Huh? Yes, sir?
I took more alone.
Okay. No, so I don't want to mess up my things. My tweet and not dig it.
Randy just dig it for
And the potato will be left in there in vain.
no man, you have to
Can't let him be in the show.
You see me? I don't want no potato in
Fair
the
enough.
and say Randy let it.
I remember first time I went in trouble, I have to tell so I find some excuse. We get out of things around that time. Yeah, and
Alright.
this is everyone then.
Look here, sir. Boom.
don't throw it up.
Nothing.
Andy, me and friend, see one of your Randy, just put
Look
it
at
right
the
there.
baby. A pay baby around here, sir.
So I'm big one of Randy.
Pop off here for that.
So I'm big one to where you used to. Put
Right
me on
over
where
there,
and take
so.
up your Randy. I'm big one to where you used to.
That's how far the video is. I'm digging you. The market you find on that thing there sell. The man market people dangerous and you must worry about it. Market people play.
Verse they say sure.
Seven Jones if I come out, come drop the price of our food master and then tell people this now. People don't go hard kind of man. Told the love.
I know me never feel it.
No feel it. The feel I'm going to have to pick up a more. You know them?
Feel brother. Anything we want in a certain way. When we want him ever know what farm we have it. Eat me now,
You can follow the route I'm talking about. Come on, follow the route. Follow the route. How about what put whole garden and cut on the trees, you know? I'll find our girls at the end. Eh? Chop on them? Yeah, that's in the field. You know what?
Mama look at it now, Randy. You can see if boy can potato thick. I don't say that tomorrow run from it.
I will chop and take. That boy I feel like.
Oh yeah, you come here, come see me. Come here, come see me.
I'm going to chop my one car, Lanky, to chop the
Come here, come see
thick.
Lanky, yeah, you know.
Lanky,
No
to
worries.
chop the
I guess
thick.
you knowing you. You sure you have been know first time. You have seen the things when we do this. Yes, I am doing. If I'm in the road now, I never seen the nothing now. But when they come to inner the farm, they have to see. I do.
I'm going to chop my one and take my dad.
You're killing this, man.
I'm going to chop my one and take my
Kill him, man. I'm the right, brother. When you come to him, brother.
No sound, I set me on the hard road.
You just want to do some slave mode with me.
And clear. Lord, I cannot come with the camera points.
Half by tree. Alright, sure not. So now, why is it that would be different from what was this hill? Why would that be here?
And this one down here. Hit beer.
The whole hill here.
You have some hill is the bingo hill and some hill is not the bingo one.
The dirt or that dirt looks soft over this. That's what I said too.
True, no?
Spirit
No, that have to do it. That can do it with true, no? Why that talk like a joke, no?
The planter. The guy will plant this here smoke bad weed.
Not bad weed, he just not might
No
not
man,
bring
no
power.
bad weed. I weather.
I side man, look at. I see, but I'm planting.
No, the planting man.
So the soil is different.
Season, dry.
The time dry. So you don't get that much water to spill out. Huh? You have to find that. And if you didn't get the rain, the dirt would have melt out. And you'd have spill out. It might rain.
The moment is a tough man.
You need to stay on these. Eh?
Why you don't show your wife? Because she's Shrek.
How is it so? Yeah?
That's a she's Shrek. That's why we don't show Shrek on camera.
But all of this big already shine
I mean, let's see. Show the rest of your digging.
For watch out.
Seriously, look like a row.
But in every row.
Yeah, they don't. Yeah. You know, I that of the row.
I did.
I want the road that you clear out the bush from.
Yeah.
So then I go do
Hey, go to your party. Hi. Go to your party.
You know, so you're supposed to be
Yeah?
going through the dirt, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, sure that.
Yeah, Kima.
I expect me son now.
Yeah, Kima. Tell Jada to give you half of this. Half.
Yeah, America. rub you. No, that's why I have it first.
Just this area over there.
Move on the yard then, alright. Move on the yard then.
Give up, you know.
Where?
Me? Why you say that? No, sure not. When I dig up something, sure not. I tell me I have to leave the little something them.
Man, see, I live all that potato in there. No, you look, you fit over here, Paul.
Alright, sure not. Don't back your wife.
Back.
Janet,
You want a prop to give up, we can't get a prop in our potato. If you dig one big potato, master, I'm dead dog, you say, I found a big potato.
what did you wait? Show that the potato that you can show not.
Laugh, you all laugh at me, Randy.
Get that part there, Randy. You look son at the coat of potato where him dig.
Look now. I see you something I'm to copy.
Yeah. Smoke a joint now, Lanky.
Right now in sun bit on.
Janet, please, the dirt.
Throw the police.
You see, me I learn how to work, you know. You see when you go near the slip, look for one of them here. But break off, right? And then follow it. And not break it off, just follow the road.
Yeah, fine. Potato.
It's a potato party.
Yeah, fine.
Look here. Look here. Yeah, run to my house. So at least we get rid of the hard part for now. You know, so if you look at it there, right? You see where the sun come up there, so this protected, you know.
That's what I was saying to Sharon.
You see right just at this time, it hit right just so look at cool. That's a hot. It's a cool. Then look at tree that help you. So the shade help moisture. If you go and open up, all the heat are touching. Look, now when this come up, you know, what looks like the time now? Look at the big shadow over there. Sun come up what, 6 and 2 hours, you know. So that little shade there, so right there, so.
Says, but we're going to party the potato.
I don't want to dig this something. When we find
You like you farming to from me 14, but we just stop from me 14.
It's a brother.
So how long you start? 2 months or so.
From 1 to 14. You must have a farmer sent that to the cabbage. And Lalaloo.
So send Cat. Send Mary. We're going to do the long white cam them. Run here, son. Yeah, man. I'm going to make sure so you go for this. Plan different places. I'm looking at the mountains. Just you want to build the team.
So nice with the final.
That's what the manager will have.
That's right. You might only think that's right with this.
One of them can export them up when you find.
Need the money. Check star me buy.
Everything is doing right.
Don't put in your mouth, you know. There, I'm going to be in our ground. I'm going to find some potatoes. See them over there, son. How would that? See?
I used to then I grow my big potato. When you done big potato, you come.
Now watch both on people.
I watch it and the person up in my dirt.
Pull it up. And then him see what boss.
Then I look.
Then him go feed. This what him a do. You know, feel up. Pull it up. And look on the road.
Captain Farmer.
You know, so I just get him. You know, so we're going to I'm the captain. We're going to get him a cake. Yeah. See ya, Captain Farmer. Bless you. Captain Farmer. Get him a cake. I make him run around the field. I make a cartoon over him. Mommy, I want to watch Captain Farmer today. What? Right? It's Bolton. Hey guys, this is how you plant a potato. Pull. Captain Farmer. And him have a friend named Bolton and Jason. That's good. Murder all day. A murder cartoon that. That's how you're going to make your money, mama. But mom, that one is a pocket. Oh, that's big. Don't worry about it. Hello, mom.
What our powder on it? I'll tell the powder on camp. Tell the cat something to say. I know every time we get out of bed.
I get up out of bed.
Let them say, oh.
Yes, she have class. Then she go say she have duty.
You know that. She's not a class today. Thank you, you're finding me potato.
Him know when plant them.
No, you know no control over the part.
Try and plant them.
So me I find good size one.
How many you want to take?
Right there.
Yes, Randy. It's so you might dig up the dirt.
Randy, no, do that. You're supposed to live with Papi Theater, man.
That's what I'm gonna say. That's why I'm gonna check my work. Look there. Look how the place dig up. We never see ground dig up so. It look like say you're ready for plant again and you not even need a bulldozer after me left it. A tractor. Remember guys, check my work. Right baby? Right baby? Uncle Randy is supreme. That's right baby. Alright, there's Bolton people. Jason. And these two over here is fighting over one patch. Lanky planted the whole field so he know where the big ones are.
You don't want to take it out.
It was a setup. Lanky said, don't come down here, or no, go up there. And then Lanky come down here secretively.
Final land.
But let me ask you something. Them blossom here, a potato blossom? Okay. So we can check the size of the flower them to see how they open. That one might help too. Hello? Hello? What are you doing? I'm good, I'm digging potatoes. Alright, good job. Hold on. Sweet potatoes. We're on the farm digging potatoes. With the Jamaica Good Life farmers on the ranch, the White Ranch Farm, we're giving a lending hand by assembling the team to work together to reap with one of our farmers in Manchester. Got up this morning about 5 a.m. Had some oats porridge and we're on the farm. I have to hold the camera. If I didn't have to hold the camera, I'll be with these guys in the bunker fighting out the potatoes.
Potato.
Here we have Lanky, and one of the fastest potato planters, one off. The competition is coming up soon. That land over there is being prepared. We're going to have a race between Bolt and Lanky. It will be the Manchester potato. Yeah, them are blossom. Yeah. So you ever take out a big one and check what blossom they on it?
No, blossom in beer. Blossom with the pan. Let me show you the potato top beer.
Okay, so then.
He's talking about the size of the thing that's on it. As in the flowers thing.
No, size not really.
You never really study a big one and see what make it different from a little one?
No, I say that can't tap. Some big, some little.
You know, nothing to do with the blossom.
No, I'm not say that, but I'm just I'm not say there's a system to it.
Yeah, two this a beer one.
The blossom now, a certain time I hear potato long blossom. You know right through potato long blossom. So you plant them and no blossom at all. And the beer same way.
Oh, those are nice.
Like, you know?
So let me say, sometimes they slip not bad Lanky, like they slip them just bad.
No. I see.
I see, man. They may uplift. You notice that no matter what, I still give you at least a potato, at least one potato.
So what's the difference between uplifter and non-uplifter?
Uplifter is a faster potato, man.
I people them go fast.
People them go fast.
You go for the
other one. The other one them take all 7 months. 8 months. This one that take 4 or 3 months.
5 months. 5 months, you repeat it and dig fast.
Fast. You want to go peep peep.
That a potato me want to say.
Man, I love blood in man. The man is not the third, you know, say. Marolo be.
Everybody see you see father do.
I don't hear the intro one time.
No, that's the first thing you know when time come in this
I'm
morning.
back again.
Gone.
Star, man.
Remember, turn on a big round now, I guess. You know, random one. How are you?
So you know, it goes, kind of?
You miss enough so you don't miss none.
You eat. So you can go, so you're pescatarian and you're not vegetarian.
No, we don't have pork here now. Yeah, that's a video. No, we don't have pork.
I up to you. You miss nothing. I tell you, you miss nothing. You know, brother? What you mean? Then all of them the life they are eating them the meat.
And that's about 22 years now.
I miss the jerk pork. You know?
That's why me and guys are here for first time. Really, I know we're going to went out and look up and port now. Once when I certain, if no one else not did the look up, I'm certain about it. But nowadays, I can't answer no.
I best mate.
First.
What am I saying? Randy, what am I saying? What am I saying, guys? It's the breakdown. What am I saying? Hold on. Then you know good when you can now with the land.
Boom. Yeah, there you go, bro. There you go, bro. That was pretty fast, bro. I saw that, bro. That was really fast, bro. Bro, you're doing it, bro.
You can hold up there. Catch him right.
Go top of the wall and forget. Everybody has to steady themselves in their life. Whoa, bro. Bro G, that's you, bro. Bro. You guys are really serious about what you're doing, bro. Oh, even the baby is doing it. Jason. That's you again, bro? Oh, man. Life is good.
You me daddy carrier. Need a girl and it be a potato. Carrier.
Bolton, there's the expert, Bolton.
Carrier.
Sometimes you gotta leave it to the professionals. Whoa, you see that, people? See how fast that was? Boom. Pull the stem, 1-2 scratch, boom, do the earthquake move, and you're done. Whoa, there goes a longer one. 1, 2, 3, scratch, check,
You me done.
and pull.
Me and I got the potato, daddy.
Yes.
Good morning.
And
And there's Bolton, he's done with that hill.
We are clear up for two them. You not come today? No problem, brother. Enough how we night a dig, man.
Can I make you do something for it?
Enough how we night a dig, man. Enough how we a dig, so we have fine potato, man. Eh?
Juice, but you just had breakfast, you just had soup, so juice? No.
It's school of my daddy, man. Me have bag here too.
Hey, I'm nervous now.
So, now when me finish, me call you.
Bean courage this now.
Huh?
Carry on.
It's a bean courage now.
Carry on.
You just be this, me not have catch it there, see
Carry on.
You're talking the
Yo.
one where it have like some fussing.
Eh, see it, bean courage, man. Take him up crazy. No, tap, none at all, you start. See it here. I root me, I look for. See it, bean courage.
Bean
This
curry.
This one scratch out the next one.
Don't eat that bean there.
Just tell them, say.
I threw me in a bush, man, before I pick up food.
Root me, I look for and next
Yeah.
time, see me and I'm not fine, you know.
Yeah.
Don't want to touch me.
Yeah, me a bag, but look like no run out of bag, I can't carry a couple with it.
Don't want to touch you on me.
Yeah, my daddy. I am my daddy, it's a guys that never stop plant. No matter how they stay. Alright, my daddy.
That's Lanky. Nothing lean about that guy. He's straight up.
Alright, Captain Farmer!
You know, same I'm gonna make a cartoon between picking them. Talk to the tree. Captain Farmer speaks to the potatoes. Mom, Captain Farmer is so fast.
You scratch through like that. Then you go like this. Feel it hurt. Don't let me down, style. Oh my God, you're gonna let me down.
You see people in Jamaica, this is the good life. You know, see nobody around yourself. I say I pay a piece of love from morning, but them I say Jamaica all crime. In Lanky.
I think Jamaica have right now a problem with that bean courage.
Oh my God, it's
Captain
a beanie
Farmer,
one.
did you find any?
No, it's a beanie one. I've been saving.
Save that one for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me tell you something.
This ain't nothing to touch, you know.
Don't let that touch you.
This is a bean courage.
And
That's
that
good for you and you can boil it and drink it.
You know, they say you can't
But the
boil,
bean
me
one
nah
can boil and drink?
Yeah.
So
You don't challenge it, though.
If you go find it, you have a roll in the
nice
standing
something,
phone.
man.
No, go so.
Well,
You catch me.
when I used to go to Helam, and we have dumb fights, we use that.
Dorm fights.
Yeah. Dumb fight. So we use the blow that is, we just blow it, put it strong and blow it in their room.
Oh.
Young one. You just take one knife,
You see, man, can't.
sharpen blade, and that makes and just use it. I run off the whole light for the chair.
No, like you're dirty, so you can't do, you know.
Because I'm dirty.
Like you're dirty and anything, you can't do what.
That's it on the guy. See them. See them now, and destroy them. I don't touch them now. See them. See them come off there.
Thank you.
Them shine.
Yeah, them push them
The
up.
one call me.
This one is coming out.
Yeah.
That's to go now.
The one call me.
That's special, China.
No, me not make you eat that stage.
Yeah. There is he, Bolton. He's going in again. First, he looks, and he clears the grass. One or two scratch, boom.
Same bomb.
Another one. 1, 2, scratch.
Eh? If you're a virgin, I can't do that.
And I move them first.
Daddy. That theories.
I must have leg there. I will run it in.
Boom, another one from Bolton. Boom, 2 for Lanky. Lanky scratches. He looks. Scratch again. Aims. Plow. And oh, I think he's gonna find one. Oh. This whole potato experience is quite humbling. Whoa. That's part of life, right, Gaza?
Yeah.
You take what you can get sometimes.
Yeah, you put flip in the heart, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna be a bean quick. Yeah, I'm gonna be a bean quick.
And every time I'm gonna get big potato in our life, people. Boom.
Do you want to go home now?
You know, if I know, I said I want to go panic and be encouraged.
No, feeling.
There goes Gaza.
Hot dog, be tired now. Be tired now.
Boom. Another one for Bolton.
Get some bag and take them out of the gun.
Boom. Yes, yes, yes. Bolton is the one.
Usain Bolt.
And another. Oh, that's about 5 per 30 seconds. Gaza is still working on his first. Potato Sports by Rondi Pottinger, Jamaica Good Life. And Gaza has his phone. He's still taking calls.
Hello. You. There, I know.
Boom, another one.
Oh, you know, so I never get to it now. Never shout him, you know. It's too short about one. Catch me there home, I never jump out.
Boom, and another one for Bolton again. This guy's on a roll.
Yeah, I'll give him a link. But you mean I farm, you know. Just give me
Definitely,
some
you
time,
see?
the link, you know.
See what we bring you today? We bring him in now? Are we bring him in now? Are we find him in now?
Where you find him, Randy?
Out on Newport where they find them there, where the big wind them there.
The wind beat them.
The windmill them. That's why boy so fast, man, live near the wind.
That's the name Bolton.
That's Bolton, people. One of the fastest farmers in Jamaica. Or probably in the entire world. We're gonna send them to China to help them out. Food are rationed right now all over the world, so they need more Boltons. Good, tapping nice. There goes Bolton again. Looking, one. It's exciting to watch this guy. 2, boom. All right, there's Gaza. He's struggling over there. He needs to cut back on the rum.
No, I don't drink anything.
Okay. But Bolton, do you drink?
Yeah, but you know.
Only now and then.
Yeah.
Do you smoke?
No.
Okay. Seems like Bolton is seriously have a technique here, people. We need to learn more from Bolton. Gaza, how are you doing over there?
I'm struggling, but I'm fine.
There's Bolton again. On a hole, he keeps going and going. Woo! Did you hear that pull? That was the grass was crying. Pulls up the grass, makes the dirt soft. Scratch around a little bit. Boom. Boom. Bolton takes everything out the ground. Doesn't leave any potato around. There's Captain Farmer. Captain Farmer! Woo! Fly away! We need to forget your crocus bag cape. I forget guys our crocus bag cape, you know. So people, I saw it going now. I saw it going at Jamaica. Gaza is on the reaping.
Try to take over the world.
Yeah, man.
The pinky and the brain.
Yeah, man. Potato bag. So how much bag Normally, you take out all your field, like 1 acre. 10 bags.
More. As we say, all depends on how the potato go. I tell you, say farm is a 50-50 thing, you know. You can win. But once our potatoes to put down in the earth, you know.
Well, you keep saying that, but remember say you put time in it, you know.
Time and energy.
Yeah. So no those things say, you know it is what it is.
Yeah.
Because in your mind, if you expect results, you know, it will come, you know.
They always expect results.
So if you think, you have to think, say, you know, feel, you're my plant, yo. I'll do my plant, ackee tree. I know me say to the ackee tree, I know it's no rain now fall, but you better make it. Because I left right now, I now come back. And you see when I go back to the ackee tree, it's a struggle, you know. And I talk to it in the Gaza.
Yeah.
I say, yo, I tell us no water on the land, you know. I don't need you to look so. Pick up yourself. You see the next time I go? You have to make a tree them know, so I expect you for beer. When my mother tell me, say she talk to her flowers, them, you know. And when one of them now grow, I say, what happened to you? You alright? You need a potato whisperer. Your wife, you need to learn potato whispering. you must just...
I don't like plants. My mother had too many plants that I had to...
Gaza, see your bad energy. She said she don't like plants. Oh, you have a farm with a wife not like plants? Where I said to
I
me?
like the things that come from these plants.
Oh, you...
Yeah.
She like the money plants them.
Yeah.
The plant is money plant.
So what's the story about you and plants?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Well, Mommy used to have a lot of plants. A lot. Well, she still have enough. And every day, sweet centers, when you water the flowers them. And it was so exhausting.
Okay.
We want to watch cartoon, we have to water the plants. So it's just all about watering our plants. And then she would come on Sunday and she talk to the plant them, and it's just annoying.
Bolton, you deserve a cold red stripe. And some bami and some sawfish. Yes. You too, Lanky. As for these two other losers, we'll just give them a buster, sweetie. Over there, so done.
Understand me? When the man come and he take out one bag and say pick.
Ah.
Yeah, you understand that's about time.
Prison.
Still more time. Yeah. You know when I go to work, he don't say you do that for the
This is what it looks like, people. Real farming in Jamaica. This is the Jamaica Good Life Farmers 2021. This is a white ranch in Manchester, Jamaica. You're looking at Bolton and the original Gaza. Bolton, you look a little hungry now. Yeah. Ah, see, slow down, you know. You have a good team. People, there it is. All right. There's the machine. These are two of the fastest.
But cars are them pretty. My time why no man dictate and can't say none. Everything bad. Everything gone to accident.
So you know, people can really just come do them thing at Jamaica. Because you say about 300 US for plow 1 acre, right? We talked about the maths already, people. We're not do it again. And we must watch the other video then. So,
Okay, brother. I try to say we have a road here, you know. All the road here, we don't go through them, you know. Tell me, ask somebody if she can just buy some food. Cook some, chop up one chicken and curry and also rice. That fridge, yeah. It's about that, Randy. What is it? You smell having a phone over there, we just chop up a phone. See what it is.
People. So we're going to do this, you know, guys. We're going to set up one, you know. I want to show the people them from the start. And when you go plant?
I'm not for. I'm not going to start to it. No for left, no for either. But as I say, we are preparing the land because I jump now.
Come in, do this food.
Prepare the land. You kind of prepare the land for what you the right hand, they secure it, you just put out the thing. I jump or prepare the land, I jump. Yeah, I make sure everything up running. So when I planting time now, land already prepared already. So you know, make the sense when I planting time, I prepare land for planting time. Sometimes so you prepare the land now, jump. Less work in I jump, everything in charge. Less work. You move all tree, move all stone, move all of land. Burn off a burn. Can't give the land a one cup, but the land stay there, go and throw your fertilizer in it. Fertilizer go and melt in it. And look at the real joint, it's melt. I want to show the people from the start. There's some video, you know, when Lanky them are planting, you know. You know, I have a video when Lanky them are planting. Have the video them.
You know, say. Yes. We get to know Lanky today. Now the teacher, eh? Set me up, man. I know the cameraman also eat. I'm not going to eat.
Come on, Sister Randy.
You don't understand it. You think that the world love the cameraman, no? Because if I never the cameraman, they don't see nothing, you know. Make a comment, people. Tell me you love me. So one. Real thing. First time in Jamaica, I reap potato. And with the uplifter. Normally we plant the little, you know, them whole one there. They take long.
That is Duke.
That's Duke.
Yeah. Yeah, Lanky. Joe, come on, what going on there? Eh? Another bag. Yeah, man, 68 there.
That's how you line them out on the field.
No, we carry them up to it now, check the cold place. Both of them, come here, sing a bag of goals. I take them out and stuff.
You know, eat. We got a Randy, maybe. Randy, there, so
You eat already, both? Work time now.
It's a more break.
That's clarity.
Thank you, people. Give me one of them. So there.
Don't take the soda you want, Randy. Take the soda you want, Bill.
Ready for the potato run?
Potato, potato!
Boom! Look for all the runners.
in the farm.
That's the real workout.
Look at him, you look so thick.
Hard work.
I think you have a year one time.
So you left the one in there
Yes,
and plant on top of it
definitely.
and get a double.
That one changa. One left on the changa already.
Ah.
Try to share potato no matter how you want.
Can't do it.
Potato.
Can't do it. The one you left now, when you say, when you put one plant back now, I got come out on the one you plant and tie up and kill that. So you see, when you take a start here, potato like a big grow you have in there. And a potato, big grow you have.
Also one kill the new one.
I kill back, I smack on kill the ground.
So you have to get rid of that one there. So you have to clean the ground.
So you have a plant something different, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but
Cause
it feels good.
if them are complete.
Remember, so the tractor, when you can't give first play, you just go try and clear up your ground, you know, man.
Shake up your body, man.
I want him to know when John applaud, John take up everything out of the ground. I know the boy not going to fix up the tractor yet. John had the engine going, but the boy, John still look at minor thing left.
The engine there alone, I go for 100 tons to do the engine.
The engine not fixed, man.
But I'm a balloon at 200 tons. This is it. I didn't waste the money, I can't help money.
I know John waste the money.
I don't waste the money.
I want every man to before they can click
So
I get 6 months, I get now the one, 9.
it's hard to work near a man like you.
Yo,
turn up me have to do man certain people me know how up beside them do not talk.
get that guys in 9 months. Right.
So you ever been on farm work?
No.
It's hard to work with guys like this, you know that.
This is over there, no.
Because he makes you look like you're not working.
And this is gone.
Look for this when I just start to eat down there. Look where you know.
It's hard to work with these guys. Make you show you're just a boy. They'll take your girlfriend from you.
No, we don't mean that part. We do it now.
Boys are hella already.
I save my energy. I see what you're saying. Yeah. By the time Bolton gets home, he's really tired. No tired. This is a normal thing for you.
Every day, man. Every day, right through the year. December to December. I read that, you know? Huh? Because comfortable there, I'm going to go to the foot, I'm going to shop, I'm going to sneakers, you know. Sneakers, and just dirty on the sneakers. Uncomfortable. Take out and knock out. Squeeze me. Still a squeeze me up the car and dash one side.
Not about squeezing.
No, like you don't apply now without socks now. Don't go apply because you don't make me want to take coffee. I'm not going to do it, I want to go squeeze like me.
Free I know.
Mana banyak ini mana.
Say one part down in Africa, you know.
Any kid,
No one else in around them.
No man, some of them.
Kid, man.
Yeah, one part down there, man. So I just want a little something in here, so. So,
I'm not sure you see
I want a little thing, a little jar.
You want to hear them?
Yeah.
so you have it. You're African, you know.
Yeah,
You're African.
I don't know African, man. I don't know brother. I don't know African, man.
Where you start from?
Where you come from? Jamaican.
You my dread?
Jamaican.
Oh, you man a black nor white?
Never go Africa. You over there.
My dread.
Don't them Why you dark like them? Dark on them. Me know. Because I show you, me and the African, Jamaican.
You know where kind of come from? No Africa, we place in down Kenya.
Kenya.
Yeah, you know them dark people down Kenya.
Then dark down there, the man.
Yeah, man.
They shot your village down, man.
See me, huh?
Not a real job, not African. You're Jamaican. And that's what
You
I'm
can't tell, sir. You love Ghana, I love Kenya.
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe, the girl must say, oh, okay, Ghana, go Africa. I'm a Rasta, you know.
Yeah, bro.
Ghana Rasta, so if you can't go Africa. I'm sure about the gangsters in Africa on the road. You think they must say Jamaica terror, you never hear about the gangsters in Africa? And the normal thing them down there.
Why not gangster in Africa, brother? Be a rebel. Rebel different from gangster.
You know gangsters for them, man? For all the good thing where we are going with that, let's sort a paper chat to them. Aye. When the man them coming out, now watch a document, young man. Because them are talking about some crime law down there. How about say? This color. Where? Yeah, I mean, we're not reach there yet. Just boots up, you know. With some spinach. Ready to mash up the earth now. Oh, Lanky and Bolton look like me not try. Huh? Yeah, check out him, man.
Check out the farmer that stepped off the field.
Mm-hmm. That rebellion told me. I'm going to watch and learn, you know. I watch out video with Bolton come like a Ferrari engine, they're going to plant the potato. Where be happy there? Where was it? I said, no, man, this one is not a human, man. This one is not a human. No, I think I said, don't show me.
No, man, this is a man of fast and the yo.
But it's like this is the bolt.
That's the same boat, man. 100 feet up on the highway.
Now competition up there on our plant, bolt.
Yeah, one more time, yeah, man. You told me to lift it one time, you know.
Yeah. Bad.
Boy, hot one up there, see?
What's the barbecue?
You don't know. Back of field.
Face the couple of back.
Go plant some.
You only had funny boy, I'm not man who can't eat.
And that plant is sometimes on the keep the whole of it in there.
I use planting, mash it, I use iron. Mash it, I use.
When you plant more than that.
Oh, mash it.
Now special machine to me.
Shot about it, too. Bam, 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 bam. Not 2 minutes, not 2 minutes.
You ever see that down in the video?
Man. I could tick. Time, shut time, shut time head. Dangerous, man.
I know place me go, man. I will go out there, man. Well, people
Right? I don't mind your time head. Okay, saying, man.
yeah, man, I can't check me. I say, you know what? You want me to carry that?
Kill him, man.
Yeah.
Like you're not trying.
What?
No, man.
Ah? Look like we just come this man, we charge up on our left when we just say, you did that the running?
Alright, Aaron.
We'll have to run, chop up his stick and go run, chop on back.
Hey, when you're this tall, you can't reach the ground too easy. It takes a while. Yeah, man, the expert them. I have to watch the doctor them at the surgery.
Well, let's have a boy motor potato here, dude.
That room can't do anything now, can I lie? It's true. I'm from push it in. Chop my land.
My, see next time.
I don't plant it. I don't fruit like that. I don't can't fruit.
Come in, joke! Take care of yourself.
Wow, which for I put on Bugatti, I sit there for it. 2 inches in one.
That's some motor thing I did, some remote.
Fine, so inches
No,
of
no,
course.
Lanky, I move like a man, I don't know if you do anything. Run it.
No, come man. No, come man. No, come daddy. Come man.
Stop giving them more work.
Me not give them more work or one potato me I dig to go fry.
Right now, they might come, I'm not biased, but they're not hot yet.
They're not even warm yet. You know when the pot have a thin little bit of bubble, right on the bottom. Just a little, but it's not even warm yet. You see? But
Hot man. Now this one, so this one, me run every Monday, man.
yes. And then when
This one, I took up beer potato, and I say, Gaza,
slow
how
down,
you do it?
slow down,
Slow down, boy, I
slow
hear me.
down.
You gonna make the engine go chuckle down.
Slow down.
Alright,
Slow down, bro.
alright. It's everybody at charge up. Everybody at charge up. I charge up my brain and run it. Nobody can pop back like this back fuck. So fast. Boy,
Bro, slow down, bro.
that's cool, man.
Slow
How
down.
we do it?
Slow, bro. You're gonna hurt the bag.
And the bag of bar.
Slow down.
Captain Farmer!
Bag is gonna get a hole, bro.
I get a giant over here. Okay. Get a giant.
Guys are taking a smoke break. And the potato sporting champion, the digging competition. Today, it's been very hot. It's about what, 88 degrees right now. Need a couple of red stripe, cold red stripe. Now we're taking a smoke break. And we're discussing something in the potato sports. Yeah, smoking break now. Now they're gonna take a seat. Yeah. There goes Gaza.
See it? A back, you know, full of dirt, you know. Why night you like what? Tree.
Is that tree in there?
Is that tree? You funny? Hey, say back for a dirt. You can rasta.
You know how much it is in back there?
Bushman, they get one body now and back plan and say, Jesus, God, send this.
That's a hard-working dad right there. He brings home the bacon. Does whatever he has to do. This is Gaza's life on Jamaica Good Life. People, if he can do it, any of the youths in Jamaica can do it. From the streets to the farm. And there is Jason. These men are coming from the streets to the farm. So we could change this great country. This is the Gaza's harvest. That's Lanky. That's Bolton. Yes, people. I had extra energy. Wow. I saw it work, people. See them there. And then Lanky, you plant most of this.
No, I'm not take a picture. No, I told me I'm going to Ivan. Maybe I'm going to Ivan and see him on top of it.
Wow.
Yes, now that's you, now
advice for you to certain things like.
What wrong about that? You cannot understand.
Gaza's harvest. How was today, Gaza?
Give thanks to them. Give thanks to what we find. The plants stepping at the ground and we take up food. So the ground bare, you know. When the ground bare, they say they are digging and find nothing. And you find food. You find small and you find big. So we give thanks and we're grateful.
Yeah, man. Every time, people.
Yeah.
This is Randy, Jamaica Good Life. This was our first union agenda unity. We say agenda unity because the agenda is to plant your own business, sell your own product, take care of your family, take care of your health, and do that over and 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 over. Right?
That is the key.
And work together. So that's Jason, that's Gaza. Lanky's there. Here's Bolton over there. It was a team effort. Of course, I had to hold the camera. Someone has to hold the camera to show the fans that this is Jamaica Good Life Farmers. And what's his name?
Duke.
Duke. So Duke is a part of the team. So Emma go.
The raccoon.
Duke is the raccoon of digging.
Yeah.
So wait a minute. Even after people dig,
You come and find.
him go over it.
Find.
So him do the earthquake style. Him just
So when we talk to the earth and know before that.
oh the tracker,
Yeah. That's why I call him the raccoon.
the raccoon, or the mongoose, or the rat. The raccoon. So how long Duke I do this? You plant every different thing. Some things take funds. Mm-hmm.
So, at all time you have health and strength to do your own. Sometimes you have to go out and do something with somebody so that your family can have a quicker living too.
I see what you're
But you
saying.
have to put in something for yourself.
Mm-hmm.
It's not everything you can farm.
Mm-hmm.
You can farm certain amount of things.
Mm-hmm.
That's all. And what I'm trying to do is to farm a certain amount of things. If it even know plenty, and it's little, you just want to know that if your family needs something and you can't reach out and manage buy it, you're supposed to can have it. In the farm.
Mm-hmm.
My father said me to the farm and hungry and broke.
The real farmer no hungry and broke.
And don't broke.
The real farmer.
The farmer always have something to sell.
Oh.
Always have something to eat. So, if you're a farmer and you're hungry and broke, you're not a real farmer.
That's a tough one.
Yeah.
If you're a farmer, you're hungry and broke.
You're not a real farmer.
Gaza, that's rough.
You're supposed to have something, feel at any time that you can draw for. You stop a gap. If I right now, bush callaloo, cabbage, bungo, yam, corn, peas. Sometimes if you want to pepper in your garden, you have to go. If you never plant pepper, you couldn't go there. You have to go out
if you don't put it in, you can't get it out.
You have to go on the street and look at your buyer a beg. That's one, but you have it, you don't have to do that as somebody who that. Plant it. And come and ask you for it, buy it from you. So, if you are doing horticulturing, you can try to plant everything, but not all the time you're gonna plant everything. Especially when it's drought time like this, because when I drought, you know, you can spend money on roses in the customer. Like potato, if you plant sweet potato in drought, you have to make sure you have water hole. The water inside the place. Every morning and evening, you spray it all over the ground. And
Good water pressure to float
spray
in.
it all over the ground. That's the mean say the soil will always have a moisture. Keep the crop growing. If the soil thirsty, no, the moisture will dry out of it, so the crop will grow, but it's not gonna fresh and nice like if you do have water in it.
That's what we call it, raccoons.
Agriculture and go in water and it go with sunlight.
Jokes,
So water is a problem, and without sunlight is a problem.
Joke.
So two of them go together, you understand? You have to get sun and rain. When you get the rain, you have to hold water pressure inside. I know it's the best time to plant sweet potato, you know. When I drought,
Oh.
nobody not planting.
Oh.
Water can water.
Oh, okay.
Plant potato now, when it comes to perfection, you will
See the
get,
jacket there.
you will get price.
See it on the stone.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because if you man say right now, I'm dry weather now. So if you plant potato, you're not going to get.
So you do it because you go get the water. If you used to have a water.
If I told you something, it's not about water alone. You can plant it in a drought and it's still spring, you know. Because guess what? The red dirt land is more hotter than the stone land. You can find piece of rock stone land and you clean it up and use mattock or pick up and dig some hills and plant potato now. Without the water, eh? Because stone land always full and have plenty of moisture. That's it. You see the moisture that you have 10-month drought or 12-month drought, it don't affect your farm. Because the stone, because I threw the stone upon the land, when the sun hot on it, it's wet and form a special moisture to the crop.
Farmer planting potato in the field.
Plant it on real backside land like this, you have to water. You have to water.
Thank you much good on the farm. Carefully watch.
Alright.